If you've closed your TikTok account and wish to reopen it, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet to access your account settings. Step 2. Go to the login page. On the app's home screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. If you are logged out, you will be directed to the login page. Step 3. Select Login. On the login page, choose the option to log in. You can log in using your email, phone number, or any other method you used when creating your account. Step 4. Follow the reopening instructions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm account restoration. Once you have followed the instructions, check your email or phone for a confirmation message from TikTok. This message will confirm that your account has been successfully reopened. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reopen your closed TikTok account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to TikTok support for further assistance.